Where does data come from? Turns out you're a walking data mine, babe. Hana transmits data energy, learning while laughing hysterically. Her examples are wildly chaotic, but the knowledge is sharp like bug-free Python code. Bea Bear is live streaming on her phone saying, "Hey, Hana sis, I get what data is now." But where does it come from? Does it pop up like mushrooms after the rain or spread like a viral TikTok trend? Hana chilling with an Amazonian clay mask on her face while typing up a NASA data report. Girl, please. Data doesn't just grow like a $2 wig. It explodes from everywhere. Even the pants you're wearing right now could be a data source if they have a sensor on them. Part 1, where is data born? 1, data comes from us. When you open Facebook, drop a like, comment, "You're so pretty," that's data. You browse Amazon for 3 hours just to buy a $1 hair clip, that's data. You watch 2 hours of YouTube makeup tutorials but still end up looking like a confused pancake, still data. In short, every online action leaves behind a digital footprint. Think of it this way. You are a mobile gold mine in the age of 4.0. If you're alive, eating, breathing, yawning, boom, you're producing data. If you had a smart fridge, every time you open it for 30 seconds to wonder, what should I eat? It logs that too, babe. 2, data from devices and sensors. Smartwatches track heart rate, steps, stress levels. Surveillance cameras, facial recognition data. Yes, even when you try to sneak out in flip-flops. Smart cars log speed, distance, and can accidentally overhear your couple fights via Bluetooth. For example, if you have one of those smart toilets, then every time you handle business a little too long, it logs something like, "User shows signs of excessive boba milk tea consumption. Recommend cutting carbs." That's IoT, Internet of Things, and it's loaded with juicy insights. 3, data from businesses, organizations, and governments. Banking, insurance, healthcare, education transactions, traffic flow, weather patterns, energy use, geology data. These institutions generate and store massive amounts of data daily, also known as big data. And don't assume it's boring. That data can reveal a storm is coming, a flu outbreak is spreading, or that the guy from class 12A has an 87% increased crush rate on the girl from 12B after they started going to the same tutoring class. Part 2, types of data sources. Example, technical term. Transaction sister to users, likes, shares, video views, user-generated data, IoT devices, watches, cameras, sensors, machine data, transaction systems, shopping, banking, transactional data, web and social media, websites, Facebook, YouTube, web data, govs and organizations, population reports, health, weather, institutional data. Bea Bear, wide-eyed, says, "Oh my gosh, sis, I just realized I'm like a 24/7 data broadcast tower, like the market loudspeaker lady." Hana nods, washes off her mask, and switches on her YouTube livestream light. Exactly, sis. And those who know how to mine that data, they get rich. Those who don't, well, they become someone else's data. So if this video made your brain explode from learning and laugh, like you're possessed by the spirit of DataFest 2025, then drop a heart, drop a like, and comment, "I am a walking data goldmine." Subscribe to Hana Bea Bear's channel to keep watching the 200 episode series to become a top tier data fixer and master of decoding the chaos.